Roman blinds are a great way of making the most of your window space because they create the perfect balance between function and style. Roman blinds provide a softer, more decorative approach to window coverage, and they're perfect for spaces that require a more fabric touch to the room. The flowing Roman curves offer texture and definition, whether the blind is up or down. Our blinds are available in a huge range of colours, fabrics and styles, and they're all perfectly tailored to fit any window in your home. Whether you're looking for a neutral, functional blind or fancy adding a design statement with something more bold, colourful or vibrant. You can choose between traditional cord lock or deluxe sidewinder controls, and they come with either the standard light filtering lining, the energy-saving thermal lining, or the 100% blackout lining. Manufactured at our facility here in the heart of Yorkshire to traditionally high standards, all of our hems are sewn and not glued, and we use specially designed stability rods to provide perfect folds every time. In fact, we're so proud of our blinds, they come to you with a 3-year guarantee as standard. All of our blinds come supplied with every mounting bracket you'll need and are child safe by design. Tested to meet the strict regulations as outlined in both the British and European safety standards. All you have to remember are the screws and wall plugs suitable for the surface that you'll be fixing your blind to. When you've selected the blind that you want, don't forget to watch our measuring and fitting videos to help you with ordering and fitting your brand new blind.